everyone, welcome to EduTap. So in today's session we are going to discuss two very important news articles of finance, that is regarding the important banking news, and the direct questions can come in the exams. Okay, let it be the RBI Grade B, NABARD Grade A, or even SEBI Grade A. So let's discuss these two news articles. The first one is regarding the Bank of Baroda subsidiary that has launched a co-branded RuPay credit card, contactless credit card. So what is this credit card? Why this is so important? Because this is for a specific category of people. So we will discuss all about this contactless credit card that has been launched. The other news article is regarding the HDFC Bank that has introduced a very important service, that is the Bank on Wheels, and it is launched for Gujarat as a pilot project. So we will discuss this very important news article in today's session. But before starting with the session, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to the channel, and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session. And you can get the link of the Telegram channel in the description box below. So now starting with the first news article, that is regarding the Bank of Baroda subsidiary that has launched a co-branded RuPay contactless credit card for the Indian Army. So this credit card is specifically for the Indian Army, and the Bank of Baroda has backed the BOB Financial Solutions on Wednesday and launched a Yoddha co-branded RuPay credit card. So what is the name of this co-branded credit card? The name of this co-branded credit card is Yoddha. Okay, so remember this name. This is a very important term that can be asked in exam directly. For the Indian Army. Now the Yoddha is there, so Indian Army is being talked about, and the credit card has been launched for the Indian Army personnel in partnership with. Now the Bank of Baroda subsidiary, that is the BOB Financial Solutions, has launched this contactless co-branded credit card in partnership with the NPCI, that is the National Payments Corporation of India. And the NPCI has given this, that the BOB Financial has launched the co-branded RuPay contactless credit card with the Indian Army, for the Indian Army, and the specially curated, this is a very special curated co-branded credit card, and this is for the Indian Army, and the name of this co-branded credit card is Yoddha, that has been launched as a contactless offering on the RuPay network. RuPay network, it is specifically launched on the RuPay network. Okay, and RuPay is a Indian network. It is launched by it was developed by the NPCI only, so it becomes important again. The Yoddha credit card will be offered lifetime free to the Indian Army personnel. So what is the meaning of this lifetime free? That is also what we are going to discuss. So the new co-branded credit card will be equipped with contactless features and will be offered on the RuPay platform. So you have to remember this. Okay. Further, the co-branded credit card will be offered lifetime free to all Indian Army personnel. Yoddha comes with attractive welcome, activation and spend-based gifts. The card will also offer different complimentary services that we are going to see. So what you have to remember is the name of this credit card, for which category of the people it has been launched, as well as it has been launched in the partnership of which organization, that is the NPCI, and under which network, that is the RuPay credit card network. Okay. So now the features, the important features that we are going to discuss. But remember, this is the credit card that has been launched by the Bank of Baroda subsidiary. Okay, it is for the Indian Army. Here the card holder name will be there. The name of the card is Yoddha, and it is under the RuPay network. Okay, so the features are the key features we are going to discuss. This will provide 5 times of the rewards on the daily needs, as well as exclusive privileges will be provided, like the 8 complimentary airport lounge access per calendar year. You can read all of these features, as well as what we were discussing about the lifetime free. What does it mean? Okay, so Yoddha is lifetime free, means there will be no joining fees, there will be no annual fees. So it is lifetime free, that is there will be no joining, and the annual fees will be there. Okay, the other features are easy, you can just read it out, and main feature was this, that is the lifetime free that we just discussed, or other questions can come directly from this card. Okay, now coming to the second news article, that is regarding the HDFC Bank that has introduced the Bank on Wheels. So what is this? HDFC Bank has unveiled its state-of-the-art Bank on Wheels service for the state of Gujarat. So first of all, what you have to remember, that the HDFC Bank has launched this service, and the name of the service is Bank on Wheels. Okay. Third, it has been launched in Gujarat. Okay. So in order to increase the accessibility of the banking services so that the banking services can even go to the rural areas, okay, the banking services can even be provided to the villages which are unserved or underserved, okay, where in the villages where the banks are not available. So to provide the banking services to even those villages, the rural banking division of the bank has launched the Bank on Wheels vans. So this service is what? It is the vans that will be going to the villages, okay. So the vans will visit the remote villages located 10 to 25 kilometer from the nearest branch. So if the nearest branch is in a city and from that 10 to 25 kilometer there are some villages that are out there, or the bank branch is in a village, and to cover the other villages also that are nearby, the vans will be going out and the vans will be providing, the customers can access 21 banking products through the vans, okay. So vans, through the vans they can access, the villagers or the rural areas can access 21 banking products, okay, such as the ATM machines will be there in the van, the card, the deposit machines will be there, okay, the cash deposit machines will be there also, okay. So the van will be operational at each location for a specific period and will cover 3 villages in a day. So you can understand that if a bank branch is in a village, the other 3 villages are also being covered by a single van. So you can understand that how many vans can go out and how many services can be provided to the rural areas. And there are so many services that are being provided, especially the ATM, the cash deposit machines will be in the van only, and the specific products are also being launched for the rural, seeing the rural needs, okay, by the SDFC Bank. So further the van will visit each village twice a week, okay. So here the initiative is a part of the pilot project, that's why it has only been launched in Gujarat first, so that to see that how it works in Gujarat, the feasibility of the project, can we launch it to the whole of India, can SDFC Bank launch it for the whole of India. That's why it is first launched for a small scale, that is only in Gujarat, and that also for a particular city, that is Ankleshwar. Remember this also, that for the Ankleshwar it has been launched under Gujarat, okay. So this is a pilot project, that is a small scale project that has been launched by SDFC Bank, and later it can be launched for the whole of India or the other areas also. This van is part of the pilot project, and more such vans are planned to be rolled out in various states in the coming months, in the coming years, so that first this is a pilot project that has been launched, and then there will be the whole rollout that will be done for the other states also. There is enormous opportunity to serve the people living in semi-urban or rural areas where the banks are not there, okay. The bank is in one village and the vans can go to different villages, that you can see, because there is mobility. It is Bank on Wheels that is there, that can go on and on, okay. So this is the Bank on Wheels, this is the van that will be providing the services, and here the initiative is part of the pilot project that we have just understood, and this is for Ankleshwar, and this we have already understood that the van is a part of the pilot project that has been launched by the SDFC Bank in Gujarat, Ankleshwar. So these were the news articles that we just discussed. Easy questions, direct questions can come from these news articles, and that's why you have to remember the features and the important points that we just discussed. So this is the first question that I hope you can easily answer, and this is the second question that I hope you can easily answer. So now these were the people that gave the right answer of the previous session question, and it is so good to see that so many of you are able to answer the questions rightly, okay. And such kind of questions will come in the exam, direct questions can come in the exam from such news articles, okay. So Neeraj was the one that gave the right answer, that RBIH is the one that will be handling the, that has developed the pilot project for the digitalization of the KCC. And if you have not seen that video, go and see that video, that is also a very important news article, okay. Digitalization of KCC, the pilot project has been launched by the RBIH, that is Reserve Bank Innovation Hub, and it is launched in Madhya Pradesh and the districts of Madhya Pradesh and the districts of Tamil Nadu, and under the Union Bank of India for Madhya Pradesh and the Federal Bank for Tamil Nadu, okay. So that is right, for the Madhya Pradesh, the Union Bank of India is the partner bank, and for Tamil Nadu, Federal Bank is the partner bank. So you have to remember such kind of facts, okay. So second is Ekta has also given the right answer, Vardhaman Jain has also given the right answer, Yash has also given the right answers, the Gaurav and Vishwa Prakash, Arpita, Sandhilya, Sonali and Suhas and Prasanna, they all have given the right answer. So thank you very much guys for replying and for giving the right answers. It is so nice to see that all of you are able to give the right answers. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have any query, you can mail us here or you can contact us through this number. Any query you can comment down below. I will surely reply to your query. Okay, I will try to reply as much as I can. So thank you very much everyone.